Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this DJI Mini 4 Pro with the DJI RC2 controller. So I got this, as some of you know, my interest outside of golf and our pets is drones. So I wanted to upgrade my drone from the Mavic Mini to the Mini 4 Pro, and I specifically wanted the screen built into the controller, so that's why I got this version. This is not the combo, this is just the drone with the controller and a battery. So here's some features of it on the side here that you can see right there. And then on the back here, here's what comes in the box. So you've got the drone, the flight battery, the DJI RC2 controller, some spare propellers, a screwdriver, Type-C cable, and manuals. So go ahead and open this box and show you it outside of the box. Alright, so got the box unwrapped here. As you know, open it up, it's got this QR code to scan about information for the product and to download the video tutorials, the user manual, and the DJI Fly app. So go ahead and open this up a little bit more and show you the drone inside and everything. Alright, so we've got the drone right here inside this package. Going to be a little careful with it. I'll go ahead and take it out of here. So got the drone out of that package. It is nice. It does come with some a propeller holder there. As you can see, looks like it just unsnaps. And then here's your gimbal protector. You'll have to take off all the protective like stickers and everything, as you see there. Here's your battery compartment back here. And then your SD compartment, your USB-C connection right there. So that's the drone itself. Alright, so in that other box, you obviously have the controller here. We'll go ahead and take this out of the package. So you got the controller here out of the package. As you can see, is the screen there. That's the main reason why I got it. Here's all your buttons on the front, and there's where your joysticks go. And then here's your antennas right here that unfold, as you can see, like that right there. And then on the bottom here, got SD card slot to record your screen. And then there's your USB-C connection right there. Here's your other controllers for your video recording, or other buttons for video recording, picture. This probably controls the gimbal and camera and stuff. And then on the bottom here, there's where your joysticks are stored. And then you got these other two buttons here, which I'm not sure what they do yet. It does nice have a little silicone protector to hold your to be able to grip the controller with. So that's a controller. Here is your USB-C charging cable or connection cable too. You've got your screwdriver right here. And then these are your spare propellers. So, which is nice too. And then last, you've got an instruction manual here. So that's pretty much it. Can't wait to fly this thing, but just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of this real quick if you hadn't seen it.